Hello and welcome to this Tier 44 video introducing the upcoming version 5 of Tier 44's Data Center Management Solution. My name is Clemens Pfeiffer. I'm joined by Matthew Roberts, who will walk you through the key features and elements. We are super excited to share this with you. However, we certainly missed the opportunity to do it in person at Knowledge 2020. Now over to you, Matthew. Go ahead.
Today I'll be demonstrating how you can use the Tier44 EM application to utilize ServiceNow to manage your data center facilities and assets. Here we have a ServiceNow homepage. If I click Tier44, it brings up the various modules that are available to you when you download the EM8 application into your ServiceNow instance. The application starts with a map view, which shows all of your data centers and where they are in the world. It also shows you the space and power aggregations, which are rolled up all the way from the various racks to the room to the data center level, and then displayed here. We can also show different ServiceNow tables directly in our view, such as the incident table. If you have the Google Map API plugin enabled in ServiceNow, you can use that in Tier44 as well. Let's zoom in to our Reno data center. This data center has 2 rooms in it. This room has been set up in a co-location style, with each customer cage color-coded according to the company that owns that cage. Using the Find Me button, we can get back out to the data center view, and the room will blink, showing us which one we were just in. Let's go into the other room. This room shows us all of the rack spaces in the space plan, as well as the air-conditioned units, and the circles represent each row that is in the room. We can see on the right-hand side that this particular room is over-allocated. Let's click into a rack. The rack elevation view shows chassis and blades, servers and network equipment, as well as power strips. If we go to the Interface tab, we can see each power outlet that this power strip has, and whether or not it's connected to a server inside the rack. Let's go to a different data center. The Tier44 application is now built entirely within ServiceNow, and you can seamlessly move between the ServiceNow list view and form fields and the Tier44 graphical view. If we click into the ServiceNow form view, we can see all of the aggregation fields directly inside this view. The Tier44 visualizations are built on top of standard ServiceNow relationships. So as you build out the relationships in ServiceNow, they show up in Tier44. You can then hit the graphical view button to immediately get back to the Tier44 view. This rack contains network equipment, and if we click into this switch here, and again go to the Interface tab, we can now see all of the equipment that this switch is connected to. From any Tier44 graphical page, you can click the CMDB button to return to the regular ServiceNow form view. If you click the Dependency View, you can see ServiceNow's representation of the different relationships that we've configured for this network equipment. The Contains relationship goes up to the rack. The Connects relationship goes both upstream and downstream to show the network connections. And the Powers relationship shows us the power string from the network equipment all the way up to the PDUs. We can increase the number of levels to see the relationship tree more fully. And we can filter by particular types. we can now see our full network connection tree all the way up to the patch panels in different racks. If I go back to the network equipment, we can now move this piece of equipment to a different RU location inside the rack. Let's move it to position 26. And now you can see that the network equipment is in RU position 26 instead of where it was previously at up here. Thank you for attending this demonstration today. As always, please don't hesitate to reach out if you would like to schedule a live demonstration, if you have any questions, or if you would like to know how you can use Tier44 to help manage and automate your data center facilities and assets. If you would like to conduct a trial of Tier44, you can do that by going to the ServiceNow store and downloading a free 30-day trial of the Tier44 application directly to any ServiceNow instance.